Sonia, I'm tired of writing the same code over and over. Can Python repeat things automatically?
Absolutely. That's what loops are for. Python has two types, for loops and while loops. For loop repeats for each item in a sequence. Range of 5 gives 0 to 4, and I takes each value. Range can take up to 3 arguments: start, stop, and step. Range 2, 10, 2 gives 2, 4, 6, 8.
Can I loop over my own data like a list of names?
Yes. For loops work on any iterable lists, strings, tuples. Each element goes into the loop variable. While loops work differently. They run as long as a condition is true. Count down from 5 while count greater than 0.
What if the condition never becomes false?
That's an infinite loop. Your program runs forever. Always make sure the condition can become false. Break lets you exit a loop early. Continue skips the rest of the current iteration and goes to the next.
So break stops the whole loop. Continue just skips one item.
Exactly. Break for found it stop searching. Continue for skip this one keep going. You can put loops inside loops, nested loops. Inner loop runs completely for each outer loop value.
Does the inner loop restart fresh for each outer loop?
Yes. The inner loop runs fully from start to finish for every single outer loop iteration. Loops can have an else clause. Else runs only if the loop finished without hitting break. Use for when you know what to iterate over. Use while when watching for a condition to change.
I can see how powerful loops are. Let's go to the lab and try all of them.
For I in range of 5. I takes values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each one gets printed on its own line.
Range of n gives 0 to n minus 1. Python always starts counting at 0.
Range with 3 arguments, start 2, stop 10, step 2. Only evens from 2 to 8. The step controls how fast.
Step can count backwards too. Range 10, 0, -1 goes 10 down to 1.
For each fruit in the list. Apple, then banana, then cherry. Loop runs 3 times exactly.
The variable f takes each fruit in order. No index needed, Python handles it automatically.
Strings are iterable too. For C in Python gives P, Y, T, H, O, N 1 character at a time.
Every character counts, including spaces. Len of Python is 6, so the loop runs 6 times.
While count is greater than 0, print the count, then subtract 1. When count hits 0, the loop stops.
I must update the variable inside the loop. If I forget the minus equals 1, it loops forever.
Sentinel loop. Ask for input while the answer is not quit. The user controls when it stops.
If the first input is quit, the while condition is false from the start. The loop never runs.
For I from 1 to 10, when I is 7, print found 7 and break. The loop stops immediately.
Break exits the loop entirely. Numbers 8, 9, 10 never print because break already fired.
For each number 1 to 10, if even, continue skips to the next number. Only odd numbers print.
Continue jumps back to the top. It only skips the rest of this iteration, not the whole loop.
Outer I from 1 to 3. Inner J from 1 to 3. Prints I times J as a multiplication grid.
The inner loop runs 3 times for every one outer loop. So 3 times 3 equals 9 total prints.
For else pattern. Search list for 4. Not found, so break never runs. The else block prints not found.
Else runs when the loop completes all iterations without breaking. Perfect for search operations.